Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got an exciting unboxing to share with you today and details of a competition or something that you can win. So ARTDOT have been very kind to let me pick an item from their website to showcase to you. So I thought this would be a nice addition to my craft desk for future projects that I have over a whip and waffle. But they're also offering a competition to you guys as well. So let me get this out of the box first, because I want to make sure that I give you, of course, the correct details for their competition. Okay, let's go for this way. That's safer. So this is their storage case for going sort of on your desk. So this is ideal if you have a desk space, which is why I thought this would be really good for here in my craft room when I'm doing a project, maybe over a longer term or over lots of whip and waffles where I use this desk. This will be perfect. It has 4 different drawers and they are all full of the little round bottles. Oh, and a little ARTDOT logo. So they're all full of these nice deep bottles for kitting up your diamonds. Still, like I have quite a few different storage types. These bottles are still probably more my firm favourites. They're my go-to. So the bottle cases are often very much my go-to cases. And this has 4 different drawers full of bottles. Little thing on there to stop them falling about. So they are full and they do settle down once they've been in shipping. So they just need straightening up. But once they're straightened up, then I say it doesn't take a lot really to straighten them up. Taking them in and out will straighten them up themselves. But it comes full with this. But in addition, you also get this tray that sits on the top. Now I have got a couple of stickers that have come off this sticker sheet they've given me. There's a sticker sheet in it, but a couple of them have just got caught and stuck to the plastic. That's fine though, but I'm taking them off. So yeah, you do get a sticker sheet with it for using for labelling up your bottles. I want to sort of take them off before they get too stuck. There we go. Because if they get too stuck, then they'll never get moved. But this sits on the top. That's got quite close to the camera now, but that's, you know, it lifts off, but it's pretty sturdy on the top. And say you've got all your drawers to access. But what you can then pop in here is, say, your tray. That's a zesty tray. An Add More Zest tray would also still sit in there, or you could pop a couple of them up across the top. What else have we got? Let's pop in our most recent pen. Could either go there or could go lay down in there. Pair of tweezers, always another firm favourite for me. I use these clips quite often to attach things to my easel. So maybe pop those clips in there. You could pop, I'm raiding around my craft room. One of my little jars for shaking stuck diamonds. We've got some diamonds themselves. We've got, I'm not sure whether I would keep my tape measure in there. That one's destined for my handbag, but still. A funnel that they've given us. You could pop your stickers. I've also got here a grip mat that I like to use on my easel. Basically, you could you could store absolutely loads of your little tool bits in here, and it can all sit together up on your drawers, ready to be used and diamond painted when you are. You can pull your tray down, you can pull your diamonds out. You may have more than one set of diamonds kitted up. If you've got multiple sets kitted up, you could label the front to tell you which diamonds are in which drawer, and you can just grab these and start diamond painting. Grab your diamond painting and off you go. So ARTDOT have a couple of different things. So one, they are increasing the discount code for you throughout the month of December. So if you do want to purchase anything from ARTDOT's website, if you use my code ZEST15, you will get 15% off your order. And they will also draw, so use the link in the video description below, use the code ZEST15, and they will pick one person to have their full order refunded. So you'll have your complete order refunded for one person. In addition, if you make sure that you follow and comment on this video, ARTDOT will draw a winner from the comments to receive a ARTDOT gift card worth $50. So make sure that you bob a comment in this video down below. Make sure that you give a like and a subscribe to this channel, and they will draw one winner. So they will be in contact with one winner to win a gift card worth $50. To see who the giveaway winner is, the winner will be announced on the 22nd of December. And you need to follow their Instagram account, which is at ARTDOT Official. But I'll put all that in the description below. So underneath, just hit the little tab to see more, and I'll pop all the details down there. And you could either win a voucher or get your order refunded, or at a minimum get 15% off some goodies that you may want for yourself. I've got a couple of different ARTDOT things now. As I say, this was something new to try to have in my craft space, on my craft desk for any future projects that I'm planning on doing, like over a longer term whip and waffle, to have things ready to grab. But I've also my big cases from them. So just to confirm, I've done an unboxing on this one as well, but this is a 240 bottle case that I am currently using for a project that I will be starting in 2024. So there's quite a few different products that they have to choose from that you may or may not know that you needed. But say I'll pop a link to them down below. They also have some diamond paintings as well, which I've done an unboxing on in the past. So thank you ever so much to ARTDOT for offering a competition in the month of December, which is always good. So follow and comment to be in with a chance to win an ARTDOT gift card worth $50. If you place an order using the code ZEST15, using my link in the description below, they will pick one person to refund the amount of their full order, and the winner for the competition will be announced on the 22nd over on Instagram. So say thank you ever so much to ARTDOT for the offer of that prize for you guys, and for this for my desk. Thank you to all of you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.